Every child deserves the joy of play. This is baby Akhu, and she currently doesn't have any toys. We spend most of our time dancing, talking to mommy on the phone, watching cartoons, and goofing around. But today, we're showing how 3D printing can transform imagination into reality. Let's begin.
Así es como se enamora, así es como se enamora tu corazón con el mío, tu corazón con el mío. Luna llena menguante. A la casa y me trae la carabina.
Put it in. Easy. Like this. One. Here's two. That's two. Then two. Yay. Wow. Then two. Put two. Then two. Then two. Put it here. Sinya. Sinya. Like this. Two. Yay. Three. Three here. Sinya three. Put three here. Put three here, baby. Three. Wow. Yeah. Four. Four. Put four. Four. Put four here. Here. Yay! Good girl.
want to extend this magic to you. Whether you need custom 3D printed services or you're ready to explore the endless possibilities with your own 3D printer, BW 3D Printing is here to make it happen. Get in touch with us today for all your 3D printing needs.